Hello guys, how you doing? So I wanted to come on and we had a little chat about natural hair and my natural hair journey. By the way, hi, I'm Sanab and I'm so glad you're here. So I just wanted to share some of my favorite products that I've been using on my natural hair. I'm not going to go into everything, but I wanted to share a couple of things, and that is coconut oil. One of my go-to secrets. I get this off of Amazon. It's really amazing. Now, if you have a coconut oil allergy, you probably don't want to use this, but if you don't, then it keeps my hair moisturized. It keeps my hair from drying out and from breaking, and so it's really, really working well for me. All right, another thing. Oh, it dropped. That's okay. We're family, right? It's really great for skin and hair as well, okay? Especially having areas. I've had a little area that's kind of drying right here, and so I've been using that on my skin, and it's amazing. All right, this olive oil. If you've been joining me on my lives, then I have a live where the girls and I, everyone, the family, we come together in this soul gathering, and we get together and we chat. And so one of the ladies talked about, I think it was Daphne, she talked about using olive oil, and you can use your olive oil right out of the kitchen, ladies. I bought this one from my Indian store, but when I run out, I go hop right in the kitchen and get my olive oil and put it on my hair. It's really, really great. Almond oil. This is so awesome. Has such a rich smell. It's so awesome. It's what is it, Dabur, and it's my local Indian grocer, and I get this from there, and I pour it in my hair. This is also great if you have skin. Almond oil is really great if you have skin or spots that are drying. I've had used this and the coconut oil on this dry patch that I've had. I also had a little rash going on. I have allergies. And but you know, drying out, your skin drying out, hair and drying out is really a sign. Sometimes it can be a sign of dehydration, so make sure that you're also drinking a lot of water and that you're staying really hydrated. I might as well get some right now. And this was some mango juice, and I cleaned it out, washed it out, and I'm filling it with water so I can make sure that I stay hydrated. Let's see. Another thing that I've been using is this Jamaican castor oil, and I've been using this in my hair. Now this is the mango and lime, but you can get the plain one, and I've been using this one. It's the black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and I've been using this in my hair, popping it in there, parting it and just popping it in there, especially when it's wet. It's working good. I also have been using this on my eyebrows and eyelashes. I've only been using it a week, so I hadn't seen a lot of difference, but I heard someone in a recent video, I think it was Bella D Designs, and she was talking, yeah, that's who it was. Amazing lady, designer, amazing woman. And she was talking about how she grew her eyelashes out. Now, I don't know if it will work. I can't really say right now, but from her testimony, she was talking about how long, and they're so long and so beautiful. So I thought I'm giving this a try, and it's only been a week, so I don't know yet, but I've been trying this one. I've been using the plain one along with this one. It's the black castor oil, Jamaican castor oil, and on my eyebrows and on my eyelashes. So it's just been a week, but I'm hoping, because I just don't want to do any more fake lashes. And if I could get away with it and make my own grow, so much the better. All right, this is my last little project product that I'm gonna share today, and it is the olive oil. Okay, it's a leave-in. I also have been using the conditioner in the same Palmer's brand. It's the olive oil leave-in conditioner. This is really, really great. I've been using this, and it helps me to retain moisture. Really great. I have naturally curly hair, and so these are my curls. And so I was doing a twist out, and so I decided not to do the twist out and just do my regular hair. and do my regular hair. Just let my normal natural curls come in. And I still got some frizz. I don't think I quite had enough of the curl sort of thing that I use to keep my curls, but I'm learning. So this is my first time trying it. That was something new. In another video, if you guys want to know about the curly pudding or cream that I put in my hair, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to do another video on that. Well, I'd love to hear the products that you guys are using on your natural hair. I think all hair is beautiful, whether you straighten it, flat iron it, blow dry it. You got curls, twists, locks, you know, no matter dreads, if you perm it, blow out, I don't care what you do. I think all hair is beautiful. And at the end of the day, we as ladies, we have to support each other, support this hair journey. You guys have amazing, beautiful hair. Even if you cut it bald. I wish I could cut my hair bald, but I don't have the head for it. I don't have the hair shape. But I have seen some beautiful ladies that keep their hair really low, or have, you know, have a beautiful ball going on. It is so pretty. It's so beautiful and so amazing. So at the end of the day, girlfriend, you are beautiful. Sir, you are handsome. You are amazing. My husband is bald. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so handsome with his... Ooh. Can't talk about it with this bald head. But you are amazing. You're wonderful. You're smart. You're intelligent. And there's no one like you. Do your hair. Rock your hair. However you do it. Whatever you got to do. However you do it. Perm, no perm. Natural, not natural. Jerry curl. Straight. Fro. Whatever you're doing over there. Bald. It don't matter. Honey. Rock your hair. Short fro, do your thing. Long down to your ankles and your toes, do your thing. Love your hair. And at the end of the day, love yourself. Because you know what? I love you. And God does too. Alright guys, I'm going to hop out of here. And see you in the next video. I can smell something cooking, I think. Oh gosh. I think my hubby might have gotten up and is... cooking hamburgers. I don't know. Let me go check on this man, see what he's doing. All right, guys. You guys keep us in your prayers. Keep our family in your prayers. I love you guys so much. I miss you so much when you're not here. So be sure to comment below, like and subscribe so you can join the family, and so I can know you're here. You know what? Because I love you guys so much. And for new subscribers, thank you and welcome to the channel. For you guys who've been around for a long time, and for you guys who joined last month and yesterday, I appreciate y'all. I really do. All right, you guys. Love you. Bye-bye.